All of this reaffirms that the quality, the estimation, and even the nature of change depend on one's point of view. For me, even as I write, I itch to plan the next adventure. Nearing 70 years old, I feel that familiar, persistent urge to test myself again, whether it be against a lion from a thornbush blind or from some shaky Mackin, or against one more magnificent buffalo bull from a herd of hundreds, any one of which would be delighted to kill me. Such an inner claim on my desire drives me to return to Africa time and again. And when I no longer have the muscle to draw a 65-pound recurve bow and hold it steady, when my legs are no longer strong enough to stalk through the high grass while temperatures and humidity climb into the 90s, I will have a storehouse of memories. When that time comes, I will blow upon the coals of long-dead campfires. The dancing images that come to mind will carry me back to old friends, ex and hot passions, spectacular visions and missed opportunities that will only live in an old man's memory and in this book. Rio Gorongosa Timeless Safaris, where time flows differently, honoring the legacy of the past. Come join us and follow in the footsteps of legends.